The Zombie Debt Assumption Model. How to turn zombie debt into credit gold. Have you ever wondered how a worthless, charged-off debt can be turned into a performing asset that builds credit, earns income, and puts you in the position of power? In the next few minutes, you'll learn how buying zombie debt for pennies on the dollar allows you to assume creditor status, create a new payment structure, and legally report it as positive credit history, all while offering your client a win-win solution. 1. You acquire the debt, you become the creditor. You start by purchasing aged or charged-off debt portfolios. These accounts are often sold at 1 to 5 cents on the dollar, sometimes less. Once purchased, you become the lawful assignee or holder in due course. You now own the debt, and with that ownership comes full control of how it's managed, reported, and settled. 2. You offer debt assumption to a new party. As the new creditor, you can allow another party to assume the account, voluntarily. You draft a new agreement where they become the responsible party, often in exchange for favorable payment terms or the promise of a positive trade line. This process is called novation by substitution. 3. You design a new payment structure that you report. Once the new party agrees, you arrange 6 to 12 monthly payments. These payments are affordable, scheduled, and trackable. Because you are now the data furnisher, you report each on-time payment to the credit bureaus. The new debtor sees their credit improve, while you receive steady income. 4. You can offer rebates to maximize completion. Want to increase performance and reduce drop-off? Offer a rebate. Let's say the total payments add up to $1,200, you promise a $300 rebate at the end if all payments are made on time. This turns the agreement into a carrot, not a stick. You reward good behavior, and you still profit. 5. You become a credit Tradeline architect. Because you originated the new structure and reported the activity, you now control a functioning trade line. You're not chasing debt, you're building credit. This makes you more than just a debt buyer. You are now an asset manager, a furnisher of credit, and a gatekeeper of opportunity. So what started as a junk debt just became a performing credit instrument. You helped someone rebuild their credit, collected steady payments, and now hold a provable record of commercial performance. Want to learn how to set this up step by step, legally, ethically, and profitably? Click the links below to access our free blueprint on zombie debt assumption, credit restoration, and data furnisher registration. Learn how to write assumption agreements, set up compliant reporting, and turn non-performing accounts into reliable monthly income. Your next credit opportunity is hiding in plain sight, in someone else's charged-off file. Let us show you how to take control.